Hey there, I'm Ashleen from Thai Healing Massage Academy, and let me ask you something. What's the one thing your clients complain about the most? Stiffness, tight joints, feeling like their body is aging faster than it should, they sit at a desk all day, they don't move enough, and when they come to you, they want relief. Now here's the problem. Most massage modalities, like Swedish, deep tissue, even sports massage, they work on muscles, they relax tissue, but they don't actually get the body moving. Thai massage does something completely different. And today, I'm going to show you the one element that sets Thai massage apart from every other modality, and why adding this to your practice can transform your clients' results and your income. It's called therapeutic movement. And once you understand it, you'll never look at massage the same way again. So let's get started. So what do I mean by therapeutic movement? Let me give you a comparison. Think about a typical Swedish massage. Your clients lie on the table face up or face down. They don't move much. You work on their muscles, their joints. It's great for relaxation, circulation, and stress relief. All the classic benefits, right? But here's the thing. The client is passive the entire time. They're receiving, but they're not moving. Now think about Thai massage. In a Thai massage session, the client is moving constantly. We're talking face up, face down, on their side, sitting up. Stretches, joint, mobilization, rocking movements, energy healing. The body is in motion throughout the entire session. This isn't random movements though. This is sophisticated, intentional, therapeutic movements. Much of it borrowed from Indians' ancient yoga system. And this changes everything, not just for the client, but for you as a therapist too. Because when you learn to incorporate movement into your sessions, you're offering something most massage therapists simply can't offer. You become the therapist clients can't replace. Now let's talk about why movement is so important. The human body is designed for movement. We're not meant to sit at the desk for 8 hours a day. We're not meant to stare at phones with our heads down. But that's exactly how most of the clients live. And what happens when your body doesn't move enough? It shrivels, it deteriorates, range of motion decreases, joints get stiff, muscles contract, posture collapses. You've seen it. Clients walk in with rounded shoulders, tight hips, and back that barely bends. Now, why do people do yoga, Pilates, running, or any kind of exercises? Because movement gives them energy. It improves their health. It makes them feel alive. Movement feels good. Most of your clients could use a lot more of it. And here's where Thai massage becomes incredibly valuable. Thai massage incorporates movement directly into the session. Not just any movement, sophisticated stretches, joint mobilization, rocking techniques that wake up the body. Your client isn't just lying there passively. They're being moved. Their joints are being opened. Their body is being reminded of what it feels like to move freely. This is why Thai massage is often called Thai yoga massage. It's like a yoga session done to the client. They get all the benefits of the movement without having to work themselves. And that's something that Swedish massage, deep tissue, and most other modalities simply cannot offer. Now let me give you an analogy that might stick with you. Did you ever watch the old classic movie, The Wizard of Oz? There's a scene where Dorothy meets the Tin Man. And the Tin Man can't move because all of his joints are rusted shut. And he's frozen, stuck. Then Dorothy takes out an oil can and lubricates his joints. Suddenly, he can move again. And he's happy, he's dancing, he's alive. And that's what Thai massage does for your clients. Their joints are rusted. Maybe not literally, but functionally stiff, creaky, limited. The range of motion shrinks every year. They can't touch their toes anymore. Their shoulders are locked forward. Their back is rounded. Thai massage is like that oil can. Through stretches, joint mobilization, and rocking techniques, you're freeing their body. You're reminding their joints how to move. And when a client gets off your mat and realizes they can move better than they have in years, that's when they become a client for life. And we've seen it time and time again. So let's talk about what this means for your practice and for your income. If you're a massage therapist right now, you probably offer some combination of Swedish, deep tissue, maybe sports massage, or myofascial release. Those are all valuable skills. But here's the reality. There are thousands of therapists offering the exact same thing. And here's another reality. There are so many clients right now looking for Thai massage experts in the United States. So when you add Thai massage to your toolkit, specifically the therapeutic movement element, you instantly differentiate yourself. You're no longer just another massage therapist. You're the therapist that can do things other therapists can't do, or that are just not offering. Think about it from your client's perspective. They've tried deep tissue. It helps for a day or two. Then the tension comes back. They've tried Swedish. It's relaxing, but it doesn't address their mobility issues. And then they come to you, and you don't just work on their muscles. You move their body. You open their joints. You stretch them in ways they've never experienced. They leave feeling like they just had a full yoga session and a massage combined. Now that's memorable, and that's referable, and that's the kind of session people talk about to their friends. And here's a business reality. When you offer something unique, you can charge more. When clients can't get the same experience elsewhere, they don't price shop. When you become known as a therapist who does that amazing Thai massage thing, referrals come naturally. This is how you build a practice that's full without burning out your own body. More on that in just a minute. Now, I want to share something that might surprise you. Therapeutic movement doesn't just affect the body. It affects the mind and emotions too. Let me prove it to you right now. Just play along with me for a second. Wherever you are, tighten your muscles. Roll out your shoulders forward. Wrinkle your forehead. Collapse your back. Slump down. Now try to feel happy. You can't, right? It's almost impossible. Okay, now do the opposite. Roll your shoulders back. Take a deep breath. Open your chest. Put a smile on your face. Breathe out. Now try to feel depressed. Again, you can't. It's proof of how powerful movement and posture are. They don't just affect your physical body. They affect your emotional state. And this is exactly what happens in a Thai massage session. When you take a client through therapeutic movements, opening their chest, stretching their hip flexors, mobilizing their spine, you're not just improving their flexibility. You're changing their emotional state. Clients often report feeling lighter, more positive, more energized after a Thai massage session. Not just relaxed and transformed. That's because you're affecting their whole being, their body and mind. This is what holistic therapy actually means. It's what makes Thai massage so powerful. Now let's talk about what this means for you as a massage therapist. One of the biggest problems in our industry is burnout. Physical burnout. You're using your hands, your thumbs, your wrists hour after hour, pressing into tight muscles, grinding through deep tissue sessions. After a few years, your body starts to break down. Hand pain, thumb inflammation, wrist issues, shoulder problems. Some therapists have to leave the profession entirely because their bodies cannot take it anymore. Thai massage changes this equation. When you're incorporating movement into your sessions, you're not just pressing and grinding. You're using your whole body. You're using leverage. You're using momentum. The Thai rocking techniques that we teach at Thai Healing Massage Academy are a perfect example. Instead of static pressure that wears out your thumbs, you're using rhythmic movement that's easy on your body and incredibly effective for clients. You can work longer, see more clients, and actually feel good at the end of the day. This is how you build a sustainable career, not just for 5 years, but for 20 years, 30 years, and more. We've been doing this for over 2 decades, and I can tell you the therapists who last in this industry are the ones who learn to work smarter, not harder. Thai massage, with its emphasis on movement and body mechanics, is one of the smartest modalities you can add to your toolkit. So here's the bottom line. If you want to stand out from other therapists, if you want to offer something clients can't get anywhere else, if you want to build a practice that's full and sustainable, adding therapeutic movement to your sessions is one of the best investments you can make. Thai massage gives you the tools to do exactly that. At Thai Healing Massage Academy, we've trained over 3,000 therapists since 2001. Our courses are NCB TMB approved. You can earn CEUs while you learn. If you want to see what Thai massage is all about, we've got a free 7-day training that walks you through the fundamentals. Now, these are sample videos, but it gives you a good taste of what Thai massage is like. Now, I'll link the description below. And if you're ready to add the full system to your practice, stretches, joint work, rocking techniques, energy healing, sunlight therapy, all of that, check out our complete Thai massage course. The link is also in the description. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out new content every week on how to build your massage practice with Thai massage, giving you Thai massage education, and really helping you build a profitable and sustainable massage practice with Thai massage. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.